Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Advanced Coding Lab. In today's video, I will be walking you through how to create a MySQL table using different data types like integer, character, varchar, date, and more. So, whether you are a beginner or need a quick refresher, obviously this is for you. So, let's dive right in. Let's open MySQL and select the database we want to work with. If you have not created one yet, you can do so by using the command create database, then the database name. But here, I am just going to use an existing one. So let me type. As you can see, this command switches to our chosen database, school. Now let's create a table. Let's say we want to create a table for storing user information. I will create a table called users that will hold details like user ID, name, email, date of birth, etc. Here's the SQL syntax for that. All right, let's break this down. In this query, we are creating a table called users with 5 fields. First, we have user ID. This is an integer type and set to auto increment. This means MySQL will automatically generate a unique ID for each new row added to the table. And since it is the primary key, no two user IDs can be the same. Now, let's talk about the data types used here. We have several data types to work with in MySQL, and I have used a few of them in this example. Okay, so let me walk you through them. First up, integer, INT, which is used for integers. It is perfect for counting or ID fields like our user ID. It can store numbers without decimals. Next, we have varchar. This is used for variable length strings. Notice that I used varchar 50 for username and varchar 100 for email. The number in parentheses indicates the maximum length of characters allowed. Varchar is great for text fields where the length can vary. Then there is a date which is used for storing dates. Here we are using it for birth date to store the user's birth date in the format YYYYMMDD, year, month, and date. Finally, we have char. It is used to store fixed length strings. In this case, I used char 1 for the gender field, where we expect just a single character like M or F. Char is efficient when you know the exact length of the data. Once you are ready with the table structure, you simply run this query and your table is created. Perfect. The table users has been created with the structure we specified. Let's check if it exists. To verify that the table was created successfully, we can use the show tables command, which lists all the tables in our database. And as you can see, users is now listed here. We have just created a table with multiple data types. Let's take a quick look at how we can insert data into this table. Now, let's insert some sample data into the users table. I am going to add a few users, including their username email, birth date, and gender. Here, we are inserting 2 rows of data. Notice that we didn't need to insert anything into user ID because it is set to auto increment. MySQL will handle that for us. Let's now verify that the data was inserted correctly by running a select query. As you can see, our 2 users have been added successfully to the table with their respective details. This is how we can create a table with different data types and insert data into it. And that's it. In this video, we created a MySQL table with various data types: integer, varchar, char, and date. Then inserted some data into it. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.